Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the last class, I discussed about the Raymond-Timer reaction. Just introduction of Raymond-Timer reaction. Phenol reacts with the chloroform in aqueous NaOH is formed the salicylaldehyde, a remaining byproduct. But this is a major. Paraform also formed. That is a very minor product. It is nearly 77% formed. Nearly, according to one of the book, it is 77% formed. Remaining is how much? Nearly 23%. That is very minor product. So now, a little bit mechanism also given in my textbook, so that also I will discuss here. So we know NaOH means what is that? It is ionized form into Na plus and OH minus. This phenol react with this OH minus part and this H. H and OH. This is O minus and H2. Already I told you that this negative charge is hydrogen bond with this water molecule, then it lost its nucleophile character, less nucleophile. That's its resonance stabilizer. This will come here, and this negative charge is more nucleophile character than this one. Reason here already told you that this is form hydrogen bond with the water molecule. That's why its nucleophile character is less than this one. So this is later we will discuss how it reacts. So first we will get the electrophile from this chloroform. Now carefully observe. CH Cl. See, this is chloroform. OH minus form. This OH minus, carefully observe, this will be converted proton abstract, which is take the proton, that is called base. This will be take the proton, then it will be converted into C minus Cl along with this water molecule. Otherwise, water molecule I will get here, loss here. It's continuous, I will get here, continuation process. OH and H, water molecule loss. When it comes to here, negative charge. The negative charge is okay. Next. Again, this one, loss, chlorine, minus Cl. Carefully observe. This is loss, mean here plus, here minus. Minus what? Then here plus. Plus and minus. When it already told you where it goes negative from where it comes plus. Carbon get plus, chlorine get negative. Negative is there. Then this will be plus. Plus and minus, neutral. Then already lone pair is a lone pair. And this Cl, another Cl. This is called dichlorocarbon. How many chlorines are there? Dichlorocarbene. Dichlorocarbon this is. But this is called singlet carbon. This is, you may study in the first year intermediate, carbocation, carbanion, carbene, nitrene, like this. So I am not discussing much about this. You just know that this is singlet carbon. And this resonance stabilizer, because of, you know that it is vacant orbital. When loss meaning here what is positive charge. Positive charge means it has vacant orbital. So I will give you this is vacant orbital like this. This is vacant orbital, p orbital. Here lone pairs are there. Lone pairs. In this chlorine also lone pairs are there. So one of the chlorine will give you this. Otherwise, this directly you can consider this one. Then it is resonance stabilizer. Lone pair given to this. That's why this lone pair taken by this vacant orbital. Actually it is called what is it? Electrophile. Electrophile means what is that? Electron deficient. Then the strong electron deficient or weak electron deficient, weak one. Because this lone pair already taken from the side atom. Then no need from the other atom. Already somebody giving here. Somebody gives also it takes, but not that much deeper. That's why it is called weak electrophile. What do you call this? Weak electrophile. Why it is weak electrophile? Reason here chlorine atom donate the lone pair to this vacant atom. Otherwise, it is very hungry to take the electron from other. But already side atom only giving to this. That's why okay, use also no problem, not use also no problem here. Okay, that's what is called weak electrophile. In competitive exam, this question from low level to high level, in all competitive exam, this question is answered. In Riemann Tiemann reaction, what is the electrophile? Dichlorocarbon. In every exam, CET level to NEET, JEE advanced, or any other higher level, that is called PhD level, whatever the exam is, in all exams, this question is asked. So keep in mind, very, very important. What is the electrophile we ask? What is the intermediate also? Is the intermediate. Sometimes we ask the question that dichlorocarbon singlet or triplet, it is singlet. Okay, that is weak or strong also they ask weak this is. And sometimes we ask the hybridization also. This is sp2 hybridization. Everything very important in this part. So PUC level, simple dichlorocarbon is the intermediate. Remaining part not that much. Competitive level, each word is important. Now we know this phenolphthalein O minus, and here this is I am writing box in vacant. This vacant orbital is I am writing in the form of box, and here Cl lone pair. Already lone pair. This lone pair. Now this negative charge will come here, this will be comes here. This negative charge given to here. But actually this will not write. How to write? Directly you write like this. You have to understand. Actually this pi 1 can be here, this negative will be here. But if you write so many arrows, this not looks good, so directly you have to write like this. It's a good nucleophile. Compared with the O minus. Carbon negative charge is good nucleophile here. There is no hydrogen bond with the water molecule. So now we will get double bond O, double bond. Every carbon bond hydrogen is other than this first equation. One hydrogen. Now Cl. See. Now it is neutral. Actually, it is neutral nucleophile. It is neutral. There is no positive negative charge. That's a neutral. Now it is neutral. When it is electron gain, which charge it get? Negative charge. That's why here negative charge with this pair of electron. Okay. Now this negative charge will take this hydrogen. This will come to here. This will come to here. So now we will get pi 1 O minus. When O minus is there, any plus comes near to this negative charge. Other any plus is here because this reaction carried out in the test tube only, or any one reaction result. So it will not be any outside. It is present inside only. When negative charge comes, it immediately come and attract. Next, CH. Cl. This H will be again Cl. Now OH minus, because we are taken NaOH, so many moles are there. Then 2 moles of NaOH, 2 chlorine substitute. Already we studied in the halogenic chlorine. NaOH act plus NaOH usually means you will get the alcohol. If you use the alcoholic NaOH, you will get the alkene, like this reaction of substance. That's why act plus word only use it carefully. Then these two are substituted. O minus Na plus CH OH 2 Cl minus out. How many Cl minus out? 2. 2 chlorine substituted by 2 OH. But already you know very well, on same carbon more than one OH is unstable. That's why water molecule comes. Then water, actually like this mechanism not there. This is just understanding purpose. If you go depth again, nearly 4 steps you will get to get this OH values. Nearly 4 steps. But I am reducing that. O minus, Na plus, and here when water molecule, what are the left here? CHO. CHO. And water molecule minus H2O. H2O last. At the last step, we are doing that adding some dilute acid. When you add acid, here H plus added is O minus, then it will be converted into OH, CHO, and if Na plus if Cl is the water, it forms their NaCl respect. While we are adding the last step acid vinegar, there is no further reaction of this movement phenolphthalein whatever. We have to stop that. Then we are getting this one salicylic as a major product. Para also form. How it's para form? See, this one is phenolphthalein. O minus double bond. If it comes to here, this will comes to here, this will come to here. Then what is the resonance structure here? Double bond O, double bond, here negative charge. This negative charge can attack to this dichlorocarbon, like this dichlorocarbon. Then para also form, but that is minor because it forms hydrogen bond. Stable. How it form hydrogen bond, that I will show you. Double bond O H. H. Like this hydrogen bond formation stabilizes that form. Para that much ring is very far away. Ring formation is difficult. That's why it's less. If both are formed, then how we can separate? That is also a question. You know that intramolecular hydrogen bonding and intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding boiling point less. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding boiling point more. If you do fractional distillation, then we will get to separate two fractions. One is ortho form, another is para form. Like this also we can separate. Now the question is for you. Benzene react with CH, Cl3 and what do you call it? NaOH. Then can you get the benzene here? There is a question. It is possible or not, you have to decide. I am not telling here this is possible or not possible. I am giving the question for you because here OH is there, that's why OH came here in the last one. OH not there, OH not there, only aldehyde is there. So like this reaction possible or not, you have to decide. Actually this completed part. Here talking here this speech part completed part. Now anyone they will answer question. Same reaction here, only extra OH is there, here not there. Then such type of reaction possible or not, that also have to decide. One more. OH, NO2, CHCl3. Here you get a KOH also, NaOH also, that depends upon you. Okay, here no problem. Then what is the product form? Product form or not? Even reaction occur or not, that also you have to decide. If occur, write the product. If not occur, give the reason. This is the question. Next, OH, CHCl3 and NaOH. Here also reaction occur or not, write the product. If occur, write the product. If not occur, give the reason. If occur reaction, how many product form? It means at which position. See, here OH is there, means at ortho position CHO came. Now, its ortho position, this one also, this one also. Because its ortho position is the first position, this second position. Then here also possible, here also possible. If it is OH, means its ortho position, these two. Then how many CHO will be come into the product? 1 or 2 or how many product form, that we have to decide. Okay. One more. OH, the same. Then here also how many fluid form that we have to decide. This is somewhat complicated because this is very detailed. I discussed in this Riemann-Niemann reaction with the mechanism and each and everything. So carefully observe. Very important is Riemann-Niemann reaction for each part also and competitive exam purpose also. So these are, I hope, compulsory. Answering difficult, but try yourself. Some other reactions are there. One is phenol react with the zinc dust and heat maybe. They may not give dust word also. Phenol plus zinc and aroma on this heat word given me. You have to write benzene. This is benzene. This is called reduction reaction. It means oxygen removed here. Removal of oxygen, that is called reduction. And this hydrogen here considered this. Actually, this is not a clear name, but considered. Then it is a benzene. Then what you get? The zinc and oxygen, you will get the zinc oxide. Simple reaction. Important something they are asking to use this one. Next, phenol react with the Na2, Cr2, O7 in acidic medium. Okay? Like this. Other than K2Cr2O7 also write, no problem. K2Cr2O7 or Na2Cr2O7. Then you will get these are the oxidation reactions. This is called benzophenol. Benzophenol. This is a phenol. This is oxidation reaction. This is, I think, 2-3 times asked in the computer PUC exam. Phenol react with the Na2Cr2O7 in acidic medium. What is the product form? Benzophenol is formed. One more reaction also is there, like this. K2S2O8. K2S2O8. That is K2S2O8. This is called ELBS persulfate reaction. This potassium, it is having peroxide bond. That's what is called persulfate. Then it gives the same product, benzophenol. This is not a contextual, but they may ask phenol when react with this K2S2O8. It also gives the same product. It is called ELBS persulfate reaction. So I hope this all reactions are with respect to alcohol and phenols completed. But one more reaction that is important for your practical purpose also, that I will discuss. That is the practical organic chemistry. Phenol react with the FeCl3. It is called neutral FeCl3. It is present in laboratory also. Generally it is here not there. Color you may see in the laboratory also. So this is a FeCl3 react with phenol. Generally it is 6 moles. Then we will get Fe O three chlorine. So this is a reaction. How many phenols are there? 6. Here are how many are there? 6. It means hydrogen loss. These phenols are negatively charged. So how many hydrogen loss? 6 hydrogens lost. Here 3 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogen. This is a coordination chemistry respiratory. You will not understand now. In inorganic chemistry, it is there. And here minus 3. Then only we will get here plus 3 charge. Now we will not understand this as a complex. This is an inorganic reaction. This is violet color or purple color. Phenol only gives this type of reaction. Normal alcohol will not give. This is one of the identification between the alcohol and phenol. So how do you identify the alcohol and phenol? For example, given here ethanol given, that is called C2H5OH. This is here phenol given. PHOH given the phenol. This part is given, this OH, phenol. Here test. One is neutral FeCl3 test. This will not be, this will give, because we have two compound. One is alcohol, one is phenol. For this FeCl3 added for alcohol. Any violet color, red color, purple color not appearing whatever. This is not phenol, this is only alcohol. For this added, it gives violet, because here I give violet color. In book to book, small color changes are there. Violet color, purple color, red color, green color. Generally phenols use the violet or purple color. You have to remember. Remaining enols, they make you red color also. That is different. Only remember phenol enough. Violet or purple color. Okay. Next, that is called litmus test. This will not be, this will be. If you take a red litmus or blue litmus converted to red, that is called acid. You may know that. Two litmus papers are there, red litmus paper, blue litmus paper. Take the blue litmus, dip into the acid, then it converts to red. Red, dip into the base, right? Then convert to blue. Reverse. Otherwise, like this also remember. Blue litmus, red convert, acid. Don't think different, broad type. This is a blue litmus convert to red, that is called acid. Okay, this is one of the key papers. So, this is not that much acidic. Already discussed in the acidity of alcohol. This is more acidic, this is less acidic, because it will give reaction. Another one is NaHCO3 test. Generally, it is carboxylic acid identification test. Both will not give it. Here there is no COH group, that's why it will not give. Then this test is for identification alcohol and phenol for the carboxylic acid. This is most important. Looks very easy, class mark, right mark, but very important for comment. PUC purpose there is no importance. Very important. This is identification test. This test is identified from the carboxylic acid and alcohols and phenols. Okay. Now, some important alcohols are. Otherwise, I will discuss one more very important point. POC, practical organic chemistry. Here we are discussing which one? Alcohol. What are the identification tests? Identification test for primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. See, one is Lucas test. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Do not give a normal condition. It gives in minutes. It gives in seconds. Terminal. Then like this we can identify. Already given this explanation part. Another one is KMNO4 in acidic medium. This is also identification test. It gives same number of carboxylic acid, same number of carbon COH. I will let simple COH, carboxylic acid. It gives one carbon less carboxylic acid. It gives two carbon less, not second carbon, only two. Consider this. This one carbon less, this two carbon less carboxylic acid. Next, copper at 300 degrees Celsius or 573 Kelvin temperature. It gives aldehyde, it gives ketone, here it gives alkene. Ladies also we can identify. Some other reactions are there. Lieberman nitroso reaction, Another winter-main reaction, they are not there in our syllabus, but these are already studied. So this is also identification test, and these are also identification test for the alcohols. Next, preparation of some important alcohols. Important alcohols. What are they? One is methanol, another is ethanol. Ethanol formula is C2H5OH. So this I will discuss first. Methanol. First discussion this is. So how to prepare this methanol? Already I told you that in the nomenclature, wood. This wood will not appear here. Wood generally. Take wood or any wood. We have not mentioned. Only wood. On this track to this at very high temperature, if you heat, then we will get methanol. So wood on destructive distillation, it gives methanol. Very poisonous. But nowadays, carbon monoxide with the hydrogen, this is called water gas also. You will be studying in the hydrogen compound first year. In presence of zinc oxide and Cr2O3 and nearly 200 to 300 atmosphere pressure, nearly 573 to 673 Kelvin temperature, it will be very high temperature. Then only you will get the methanol. How many hydrogens? 3 plus 1 4. Then 2 into 2 4. 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. This is methanol. So what is the use of this? Generally it is used as a solvent in paint and varnishes, and is also used in the